In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change page orientation to landscape in Inkscape. Whether you are working on a wide format illustration, a website header, or a print layout that requires more horizontal space, knowing how to manipulate your document's dimensions is a fundamental skill for any designer. We will cover 3 different methods: using the formal Document Properties menu, utilizing the quick Page tool for multi-page documents, and even how to save your landscape layout as a default for future projects. If you find this tutorial helpful at any point, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to help support the channel and keep more free design tutorials coming your way. Let's dive right into the software. To begin, search for your Inkscape icon and open up a new document. By default, Inkscape usually starts in portrait mode, but we can change that instantly. The first and most standard way to do this is by opening the Document Properties dialog. You can do this by navigating to the File menu at the top left of your screen and selecting Document Properties, or for those who love efficiency, simply hit the keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus Shift plus D. Once the Document Properties window appears on your screen, ensure you are currently viewing the Display tab at the top. Under the Format section, you will see a clear distinction between portrait and landscape orientations. Locate the landscape icon, which looks like a horizontal rectangle, and click it once. You will notice the canvas updates instantly in the background. Once you see your page has flipped, you can go ahead and close the dialog box. Now, if you are looking for a more direct, hands-on way to do this, especially if you are working with multiple pages, we turn to the Page tool. You can select the Page tool from the left-hand toolbar, or simply press Shift plus P on your keyboard. Once active, look at the Tool Controls bar at the very top of your workspace. You will see icons for orientation right there. Clicking the landscape icon will immediately flip the active page. This tool is particularly powerful because it allows you to have some pages in portrait and others in landscape within the same document. Furthermore, if you want a custom landscape size, you can actually click and drag the handles on the edges of the canvas with this tool to resize it manually to any specific width you desire. It is important to remember that changing the orientation only moves the page boundary, or that black border you see on screen. It does not automatically rotate your artwork. If you already started a drawing and then decided to switch to landscape, you may find your art sticking out of the bounds. To fix this, hit Ctrl plus A to select all of your objects, and then use the rotation handles or the rotate button in the top menu to turn your work 90 degrees to fit the new layout. Finally, if you find yourself always working in landscape and hate changing it every time you open the program, you can save this as a template. Set your page to landscape as we just did, then go to File and select Save Template. Give it a name, and very importantly, check the box that says Set as Default Template before clicking Save. Now, every single time you launch Inkscape, your canvas will be ready in landscape mode. That covers everything you need to know about changing page orientation. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more Inkscape tips. Thanks for watching.